splash, sound, and bubbles rise. You peek in the water and open your eyes. Where did you go? What did you see? Where did you go? Tell it to me. I saw a dolphin do flips and spins. He splashed so high I laughed with him. What else down there? I want to know. What else is swimming so far below? Swish goes the tail, flop flop goes the fin. I want to dive, can't I jump in? There was a turtle slowing around. He waved at me without a sound. Who's that hiding behind the rock? Wiggly arms that twist and lock. What are they doing? Can I go too? What are they doing? I wish I knew. It's an octopus with 8 long arms. He's shy but he means no harm. And swim, swim, and play all day. Underwater fun in every way. Say hello to fish below. And off to the ocean we go, go, go. We go, go, go. What did you learn down in the sea? What did you see? Tell it to me. I saw so many ocean friends. I can't wait to go again. Now do the ocean dance. Give your fins a prance. If you hear the ocean call, don't say no. Just grab your snorkel and go, go.